Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a 0 to 10k per month method with affiliate marketing. This is going to be a quick tutorial for beginners with a step-by-step training with free traffic. We're not going to be paying for ads. This is all free organic traffic and step-by-step on how you can be, this method to make 0 to 10k per month with affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? I did explain this properly in my last video, like fully. If you haven't seen that already, go check that out real quick. But the process is promoting other companies' products online for a commission. That's pretty much it. So as you can see in the diagram, it says you sign up for an affiliate program, get your trackable URL, your unique affiliate link. You create some content on social media around your program with a link to the product or the service, or that's your affiliate program. Someone online, like a customer, they will go to the link, buy it, and make a purchase through your link. That's the most important part. They purchase through your link. If every time they purchase through your link, you earn a commission based on how much the affiliate program is offering. Let's say you with Nike, they offer their affiliates 20% commission. So let's say someone buys through your link and it's a $200 pair of shoes. Just from that 20% commission rate, just from them buying for you, you've made $40 just like that. So that's a quick example of what affiliate marketing is. Okay, so what do I need to get 10k per month with affiliate marketing? So number one, you're gonna need one main high ticket upfront offer affiliate program. Now, when I say high ticket, that means like anywhere between $500 plus from a high ticket sale within the program. You only need about one of these, one sustainable one that you can use. But yeah, that's what you're gonna need, one of those. 1 to 3 back-end recurring subscription offer affiliate programs. So 1 to 3 recurring subscription offers, I mean, like, is so let's say you go into the gym, subscription. People pay monthly for the subscription to the gym to keep going. So basically, those are those kind of offers. You want like a membership going with the program. So every time someone buys for you, through like months to come, every time they pay their subscription fee, then you earn a commission just like that. Also, and to give unconditional value. So basically, that what I mean by that is, give value to people without expecting anything back. Give value, teach people for free, and then once those people start to trust you a bit more, etc., then you should be getting your value back just from giving them some free stuff, etc. Then you will be getting that stuff back to you. Okay, so understanding the process of affiliate marketing. So in this diagram, this is the most important diagram that you probably ever see in affiliate marketing. I'm going to break this down real quick to you guys right now. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have our free traffic sources. This can be other pages, of course, but yeah, I've selected TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. This is what I'm using right now. But yeah, you can add like Facebook groups, Instagram. You can add those social media sites, but those are the ones I'm using right now. And yeah, you basically get traffic from these places to your two-step website. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly explain what these do. And you want to create content on these platforms to be able to go to your website. So on TikTok, as you can see, there's an arrow to Pinterest and an arrow to YouTube. Ooh, sorry. Okay, yeah. So basically they'll go from TikTok to like your YouTube channel with a video there, or they can go straight to there. We just want to have different ways they can get to your two-step website, which is your opt-in and your sales video. So let me explain those two real quick to you guys. So these two pages right here, the opt-in is where you collect the person's email, and the sales video is where you talk about the product inside, which is your affiliate offer. You really need a two-step website, like a sales funnel, to warm up your customers to the offer. You don't want to just send them right there to there. Warm them up, introduce them to it. People want to be seduced into something, not just like straight to it, of course. But yeah, so on the opt-in page, let me explain that real quick. On the opt-in, you collect their email, as I said, and then with the email, you can send them a sequence of emails around the product back to the affiliate offer. This is just in case they don't buy the first time, because people don't really buy the first time. So now that you've caught their email on the opt-in page, then now you can send them a sequence of emails about it, and then you should be making like a sale per customer with just email marketing, which is quite important. And then the sales video, that's just explaining the offer inside. Basically, you want a sales video to like introduce yourself as well, build trust with the customer, talk to them about the product, and then yeah, they'll go to your affiliate offer after that. And if they buy the initial purchase, then of course you make a commission for it. With the emails, of course, too, after they maybe buy the product, or if they don't, you still have their email, don't you? Even if they don't buy anything, so you can then promote other affiliate offers if you want, and then those will generally be your what's that? What I said was the 1 to 3 subscription offers. Yeah, those can be those if you want to. Any affiliate program that you are an affiliate, that they can be related, more or less. You want it to be like related to the product you've already been offering, but yeah, you can promote other products in that email sequence. So yeah. And also the main part is the high ticket upsell. Within your affiliate program, I did say you need the one main high ticket upsell or offer, and yeah, within that, that should be there after the initial purchase, because people don't really want to spend like the first $1,000 straight away, $500 straight away. So introduce them with like a low ticket offer that they can buy, and then introduce them to something like a bit more expensive after that, just so they can purchase that, and then that's your high ticket sale done. So that's basically the understanding the process of affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna just touch on a bit more about it after this real quick. Okay, so as I said, you are gonna need somewhere to get your traffic to your affiliate offer. So let's go ahead and look at my TikTok page. So on my TikTok page, I pretty much post about affiliate marketing. That's my niche, affiliate marketing, making money online. So right now I'm creating content around my affiliate offer, which is the affiliate offer I promote is a 3-day challenge, which is like a little course. But yeah, that teaches you about affiliate marketing, how to start. So I'm also giving value on that, creating my page around that too. You want to create content around your affiliate offers. For example, let's say you promote like a health and fitness product. Like you want to create content around that, like health and fitness content around that. So on my page right now, I'm going to make money online, the wealth niche. So I'm creating content around that, giving value. That's the most important part. Give value to people. So, for example, I'm talking about 3 reasons to start affiliate marketing. Need a video to explain what affiliate marketing is. What is affiliate marketing? Truths about affiliate marketing. How to start affiliate marketing. How to learn affiliate marketing. Best affiliate programs for affiliate marketing. Reasons why you need an email list for affiliate marketing. All that stuff is there. Of course, I do have some posts that are reach posts. For example, like just like a quick picture or something like that. But yeah, mainly I will be giving value to people to explain it, and then they will be getting like retargeted to different places that I told them to go to. And also, yeah, this is my YouTube channel right here. I create content about affiliate marketing again, just different traffic sources I'm using is one of those, which is YouTube. But yeah, I'm creating content around my offer, basically about it, etc. I also said I have a Pinterest page. On Pinterest, I pretty much just repost TikToks onto there without the watermark. Well, excuse that one. But yeah, without the watermark, I'll just repost TikToks, and it does pretty well. For example, with this post right here, 2.3k viewers, 106 pin clicks, and 1 save with the just with the reposted video. No extra effort at all. Just reposted TikTok, and that has generated my page so far in the about a week a bit I've had this page going. Almost 8k monthly views, which generates quite a lot of sales just from like conversion rates, which is linked to my which is linked to my website in my bio. So yeah, that's what I do have as traffic. I also do have a Discord server too. I provide more value there, of course. For example, a quick Q&A about affiliate marketing, like what is affiliate marketing, how do I promote, how do I get started, what's like the recommended age to start, like all that is there, giving value. Also some affiliate programs that I am affiliate for, with some value and how to like start it, what they're about, how to use them, etc. Different videos, etc. too. But yeah, that's mainly my traffic sources and how I do it. And what you want to be posting on those pages is just related content towards your affiliate offer, which goes back to what I said here, which is your traffic sources. So I'm going to explain this part right here. Okay, so as I explained, they will be going to different websites or social media sites. They'll be getting traffic from there and redirected to different places. But the main place that they will go to is this website right here, linked in my bio. But the main website, of course, is this one. So in this page right here, as I said before, you will be talking about the offer, introducing yourself a little bit. Right here I have you wanted to create a profitable online business, like a quick goal for myself and what's inside. And then, as I said, this is the opt-in page. This is the first page of the website, the opt-in page. And this is why I said they collect the email. So I'm just gonna quickly just put whatever in there. And yeah, once they enter the information, the opt-in page, they're directed to the sales video / the bridge page. And this page is where I talk about the affiliate offer. So I have a quick video here talking about which is the challenge, which is the 3-day business builder challenge, my main high ticket offer. and I do talk about a little bit about my life before, and then I redirect them to a link, which is the affiliate challenge, which is my affiliate link. But I do also talk about what's inside as well. I'm giving value even though we're not even in the actual challenge. I'm still talking about what's in there, just to like warm them up a little bit more, introduce them to what they're going to be buying. They don't want to be overwhelmed when they get there. I've already given them a lot of information before they get there, so when they get there, they do know what to do exactly. So yeah, my affiliate link is right here behind this button. I'll click that, it'll load, and as you can see right here, Kalen77, that is my affiliate link pasted into there, and then they're right here, they buy, and then into the information, and then as you can see, there's another upsell. This isn't a high ticket upsell, I'd say, but it's still an upsell that they can buy. So I will earn a commission, as this is $34 plus. I will earn more of a commission just by this little upsell. But as you can see, it's low ticket at the start, $7, but it's upselled afterwards to 34, or inside more upsells as well, which could range to 1,000 to like 500, whatever you wanna, whichever one they do buy. But yeah, that is basically it. I've talked about what is affiliate marketing, what you need to get started with it, understanding the process. I've talked about all of that, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, now if we go back to my funnel, I will have a link in a description to this exact sales funnel, this proven system. You can pretty much copy and paste it into your own thing. Of course, you're gonna have to edit your name, etc., and your affiliate link. But yeah, that will be in the description below. It's not fully done yet. I'm gonna make like a video on how you can do it properly, etc. But yeah, if you do know what you're doing a little bit, or you just want to take it now before I do make a video about it, the link's in the description to clone all of this. You can take all of this for free. Not gonna charge anyone for it, and yeah, that'll be in the description below. Okay, now if you do want to use this exact system or learn how I learned to do all this stuff here, then I really do recommend you take the 3-day business builder challenge. It taught me everything about how to do this myself, how to start my online business. So I do recommend you take that if you want to learn a bit more. Even if you are just a little bit confused, then that will tell you pretty much everything about it in a lot better detail than I have. I've tried my best here, but if you do want to learn more about it and take next step in your business or to start affiliate marketing, then yeah, I really recommend you take that. That will be linked in the description below. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's video. It was quite action-packed with information, but I do appreciate you guys watching it, of course. I will be posting more training about affiliate marketing just like this on the channel, so please leave a sub with post notifications on. I'll be posting weekly videos with training guides, step-by-step training about affiliate marketing. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and peace out.